Hello and welcome. Today, I want to share some exciting news about a dental breakthrough that's been changing the game, Synadentix. If you're tired of dealing with issues like sensitive teeth, tender gums, or persistent bad breath, this innovative supplement is definitely something you should look into. Synadentix tackles the root cause of many oral health problems by focusing on your oral microbiome. Think of this as the delicate ecosystem of beneficial bacteria that keeps your mouth naturally clean and protected. This chewable supplement works diligently to restore this essential balance. It helps your body's natural processes to repair and strengthen your teeth even while you sleep. The formula's mechanism is genius. It actually enhances your saliva production. Saliva is your mouth's natural defense, and boosting its flow helps to effectively wash away harmful bacteria and toxins, all while deeply nourishing the tissues of your gums and teeth simultaneously. What makes Synadentix so powerful is its blend of science-backed natural components. Key ingredients include guava fruit powder, hydroxyapatite, beta-glucanase, and lactoferrin. Every single one is chosen based on solid medical studies showing its positive role in maintaining superior oral and dental wellness. I particularly appreciate that the product is 100% natural, non-GMO, and incredibly easy to incorporate into your daily routine, just one simple chewable a day. People are reporting fantastic results, stronger teeth and gums, noticeably fresher breath, and just a general feeling of better comfort in their mouth. For those ready to commit to a healthier smile, they offer a great deal. Purchasing 6 bottles gets you some free bonus guides to further support your oral hygiene, including tips on breath freshness and gum care. Best of all, they back the product with a confident 90-day money-back guarantee. You have nothing to lose by giving it a try. If you're interested in learning more or securing a discounted order, the official website link is provided in the description below. Investing in your smile is investing in your confidence. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you next time.